Hey guys, so I'm going to review with you the Nutrition BrainPOP bundle that we have started in health this week. In BrainPOP, under nutrition, mind you, this assignment was due February 3rd, but it's okay that we're going to get it done this week. So you have 5 things that you have to do. Yes, you have to complete all 5 things. First thing you have is the movie. So it will take you to the BrainPOP movie where you can sit here and watch. Keep in mind, this movie is going to show you everything you need to know about the unit that we are finishing up. If you would like to read what it has instead, you can hit the closed caption button, so that way you can read it as it's talking for you to get the movie transcript, or you can click right here to see it on full screen. You have that option. Please make sure you watch the movie because everything that we will be reviewing is coming from this movie. Next up, you have the nutrition vocabulary. This is one of the things I noticed has had quite a few questions about. Keep in mind, these definitions are different from the ones that we started with at the beginning of our unit. For each word, there is a card. It says define each term below, use it in a sentence, then choose 2 additional terms from the movie. For appetite, I would write my version of what I think appetite is. You do not have to look it up on Google or use a dictionary to find the definition for what you remember from the movie. That's what you're going to write. And then you're going to use it again in a sentence. And you will do that for nutrients, refined, mineral, lean, and moderation. The next activity that we have is the nutrition challenge. This is a review. Here it will go through step for each portion that we have done in our nutrition unit. So you will hit start and it will go by where it says match each food groups with its example. So put the fruit, protein, grains, dairy, vegetables, wherever it may go on this challenge. And it will walk you step by step through and it will show you your answers. And you will have the opportunity to make any adjustments if you need to. For the Sortify, this has also had a lot of students have had questions with this game. With it, you are sorting the foods into the different buckets. So I will hit play game. If I want to see help windows to find out what to do, I would check this box. If I don't want to know and work it out myself, don't have to check it. So you'll hit start. And there are 4 buckets at the bottom. So I will start with a plus sign. And let's say I wanted to start with dairy. So I'm going to drag dairy to my bucket. Now I'm going to choose every item on here that is a dairy product. For example, milk. That is a dairy product. I will add it to my bucket. If I saw any other dairy items on here, I would sort it into this dairy bucket as well. To view my bucket, I will click the yellow bucket at the bottom and it will show all the food that was added to it. If I'm done adding all the dairy, I will hit the submit bucket, which is at the bottom right here, this blue square. Yep, so that is a nutrition sortify game. And the other activity we have coming up is the quiz. Before you take this quiz, I suggest going back and watching the movie again because everything that's asking in the quiz was stated in the movie, the challenge, the sortify, and the vocabulary. So once you have done all 4, then you can go to the quiz. And when it opens up, you will hit start and it will go question by question. And if you like to put it in full screen, you can click right here and it will do so. And that is the entire nutrition bundle. When you finish each activity, it should have a green check where I currently have go boxes. When I complete it, it will be a green check. But because I haven't hit submit, I don't have that option. Please make sure you are hitting save and share to teacher when doing that. The next thing we have to do for nutrition after you have finished all of these tasks is the nutrition make a movie. This is the final product final project for our BrainPOP, for our nutrition unit. So you will click the nutrition, make a movie project. But before you do, please read the instructions. You're going to create a movie on nutrition. Be sure to include the 5 food groups, give examples of each food group, and benefits of eating from the different food groups. Like, why is it important for me to eat protein? Why do I have to eat vegetables? Those type of things. Please make sure you include all of that into your movie. You're going to make your own BrainPOP movie. And you can decide whether you want to start your movie with the letter or just start off completely story. It's your choice. And if you do not know, I'm always here to help ask questions. But I usually like to hit answer a letter. And these are examples of what the movie people came up with. But your question should be like, Dear Tim and Moby, why is my plate important? And then you can go and talk about the different 5 food groups. Does that I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know. I will be here for you. Also, make sure you are saving it. If you like to preview it, you have that option too. I can't preview it just yet because I haven't created anything on my teacher version of BrainPOP. But yeah, so that is our whole thing. And this is what we're going to be working on today and tomorrow. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know or shoot me an email. And have a great one, guys.